Top 3 AI crypto protocols that could disrupt everything, and why you should care. Everyone's talking about AI, and everyone's talking about crypto. But the real revolution? It's happening where those two collide. In this video, I'll break down 3 of the most exciting AI crypto protocols that are working on problems even big tech hasn't solved yet. We'll look at what they do, what they solve, how they work, and I'll even tell you what I personally think about each one. This isn't just hype. These are real projects, solving real problems. Let's dive in. First up is one of the most ambitious projects I've ever come across, Bittensor, with its native token Tau. The idea is simple but powerful. Instead of AI models being siloed in Google or OpenAI's servers, Bittensor wants to create a global, decentralized intelligence network. Here's how it works. Anyone can plug their machine learning model into the Bittensor network. That model gets tested, ranked, and rewarded based on the quality of its output. The best models, whether they do translation, summarization, prediction, or even chat, earn Tau tokens by providing valuable outputs to the network. Goal: to create a permissionless, scalable, self-improving network of machine learning models. It's basically trying to build a global AI brain owned by the people, not corporations. Use case: imagine a decentralized chat app built not by one company, but thousands of contributors. If your model handles sentiment analysis better than others, you get rewarded. This system incentivizes continuous improvement, and that's incredibly powerful. Honestly, Bittensor is one of the few crypto projects that feels like real science fiction becoming real. But with that ambition comes complexity. It's not beginner-friendly, and the barrier to contributing as a miner is high. Still, this could become the Ethereum of AI. If they pull it off, it changes everything. Not every AI project needs to reinvent the wheel. Some just make the wheels run faster, and that's where Render Network comes in. Render is solving a very real bottleneck: GPU power. AI models, 3D rendering, video effects, all of these require massive computing resources. But GPUs are expensive, and centralized cloud services like AWS charge a premium. Render connects people who need rendering power with those who have spare GPU capacity. You could be an artist, an AI researcher, a game dev, and instead of waiting hours or paying thousands, you can tap into a decentralized GPU network and pay with Render. Goal: to become the backbone for rendering tasks in AI, Web3, gaming, and film at a fraction of the cost of traditional services. Use case: let's say you're training a machine learning model to analyze high-resolution satellite images. Normally, you'd need serious infrastructure. But with Render, you can outsource that compute to a distributed network of GPU owners around the world. I really like Render because it's grounded. It's not trying to be everything, it's doing one thing very well. And with GPU demand only growing thanks to AI, I think Render could become the go-to decentralized infrastructure layer for future AI projects. Now for something a little different: Numerai, with its token NMR. Numerai is like the Quantopian of crypto, but with a twist. It's a decentralized hedge fund that uses AI models from thousands of data scientists around the world to predict the stock market. Here's how it works. Every week, Numerai releases encrypted datasets. Data scientists build models, submit predictions, and stake NMR on how confident they are. The best performing models are rewarded in tokens. The worst, they lose their stake. This creates a game theory-powered competition where only the most accurate AI models survive. Goal: to build the most accurate financial prediction engine in the world, powered by global crowdsourcing instead of one elite Wall Street team. Use case: imagine a hedge fund that isn't run by a few suits in New York, but by 10,000 anonymous data scientists around the globe, all competing to predict stock returns. Numerai is super niche, but it's genius. It doesn't just decentralize AI, it incentivizes truth. I think this is a sleeper project. Not flashy, but very real world, with a working use case and a long-term vision. So what do we have here? Bittensor wants to decentralize intelligence itself. Render is making compute power accessible to the masses. Numerai is crowdsourcing the future of financial prediction. 3 very different approaches. 3 real problems being solved with Web3 and AI. My take: if even one of these protocols succeeds, it could reshape how we use AI in everyday life without relying on big tech gatekeepers. If you're into AI, crypto, or the future of the internet, this is where things get interesting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Which protocol are you betting on? Or is there one I missed that's even better? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.